Every kingdom has its legends, but not every legend is drawn in ink. In this realm, stories unfold in quiet strokes, each line a choice, each pattern a legacy. 4 noble houses have risen: Diva Dance, Flux, Tipple, Gneiss, each holding their truth, each drawing their path. For weeks we've walked with them, tracing grace, embracing chaos, honoring stillness. And now the journey brings us here, to one tile, to one promise. Not a battle, but a bond, a final drawing that unites them all. Before a house was ever built, there was a mark, a single line drawn with intention. From that line, a language grew. In the Zentangle Realm, it grew into houses, noble, expressive, full of character, each pattern carrying whispers of its origin and dreams of its destiny. Diva Dance, Flux, Tipple, Gneiss, 4 unique voices, 4 truths. And today, we bring them together to one canvas, one promise, one realm. Draw with me. First, we start with the House of Gneiss, still, spiral, strong. The oldest house, the keeper of presence. Her lines circle inward, not to escape, but to anchor. Gneiss teaches us the center is not a void, it's a return. Next is House of Diva Dance. House Diva Dance doesn't follow the grid. She creates her own beat. Wild, expressive, imperfect, and real. Every stroke a solo, every wobble a wave. She reminds us sometimes the most powerful art is the one that dances off script. We continue with the House of Flux. Now we soften. Flux flows like twin streams, the twins of symmetry, the guardians of flow. Every curve bends, but never breaks. Bending but unbroken, always curving, always adjusting. Flux teaches us that peace lives in the spaces between. Next comes House Tipple. Playful, persistent, always in motion. Tiny marks over and over. That's House Tipple's way. Every dot says, I showed up. I stayed. They remind us chaos becomes calm, one circle at a time. These tiny drops of repetition fall without fear, and somehow they always land where they belong. Chaos becomes calm, one orb at a time. Here, their voices weave one language, their ink, one bond. Look closer. These patterns aren't just coexisting, they're listening to one another. Now, they meet, not as rivals, but as companions. Their energies harmonize, their voices weave one song. This is not four tangles. This is one story. Let your hand linger. Let each line be a breath. The story is complete, but the mark remains. And now, if you've drawn with me, you've crossed a threshold, you've met the 4 houses, you've taken the journey. All that's left is the oath. I draw with flow. I fall with rhythm. I move my way. I return home. I am a tangle artist. I am part of the realm. I belong to the house within me. Which house called to you? Comment below and let your voice be heard. Subscribe for new tales, because the realm of Tangle is just the beginning. Binge the entire saga, house by house, on my channel playlist linked above.
Canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.